Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Monday! We interrupt my holiday card series for a small little haul. So I've actually placed 3 orders over the last week or so. We get our YouTube money on the 22nd of the month, and yeah, I spent it. So I have this order from stampingbella. Then if you saw any of my posts on social media, I want to say that was Friday, I shared, I think it's Crafting Kimmy. Oh, they're in Canada, so I'm gonna have to wait a hot minute for that order. And then Art Impressions had a 50% off sale of their holiday, so I picked up a couple of things from them. So you're gonna see another haul in the next couple of weeks, and you'll probably see several hauls in the next couple of weeks because, like I said, companies are finally going to come out with their Christmas stuff and I am ready. So if you remember, I don't remember what haul that was, but I picked up a Yeti stamp and I was like, they have so many Yeti stamps and I love them and I want all of them. So I added a couple more to my stash, but let me walk you through the order. So I ordered enough to get free shipping because why wouldn't you, right? And I got the dies because some of them are like half off. So let's just start. So this one is called, this is from the Littles, and this is Waiting for Santa, I think. Yes. So that's how big they are. So they're kind of actual size to this. And this stamp is so stinking cute. There are several stamps where they had animals with them, and I almost got them, and who says I won't go back and get them later, but I stuck with these because I was more interested in getting the Yetis because the Yetis are so cute, and we're probably going to do a Yeti week or something. You guys will have to let me know what you think of that. So the first one I got is Tangled Yeti, and him so cute. Look at that. Ugh, so cute. And then, like I said, I got the coordinating die. Oh, that's already on magnetic sheet. Oh, that's nice. Cute. And then I got the sentiment stamp set. So it's like, are you Yeti for Christmas? Wishing you a Merry Christmas and an unbelievable New Year. Believe in the magic of Christmas and Yetis. Big festive hug. Have yourself a Yeti little Christmas. More adorable than abominable. This Are You Ready for Christmas Yet would be really cute with this stamp set. I can remember many Christmases of of maybe not the best language when people were trying to untangle lights. We actually have a pre-lit tree. I know not everybody does, but Rob was like, I am not hanging lights every year. We're getting a pre-lit tree, but that's okay. So this one is Yeti and Santa. This is one of the ones that, like I mentioned, that haul. Whew, I'm getting a little teary-eyed right now. I don't know. I just love this. I think because I love Christmas so much and I love giving so much, and I really love giving to those who may not get. And oh my God, I'm gonna cry. So yeah, I really love the stamp set. Ooh, ah. And I got the coordinating die. So yeah, really excited about that. And then this is the Yeti that I'd already had. He's the one that's holding the gift, right? And then so I got his coordinating die. Whoo, guys. I did not expect to lose my mind, or not lose my mind, I shouldn't say that, but to get so emotional about that stamp set, but I did. And this is how I store my stamps. These are stamp pockets. They're actually from Amazon. They're the Amazon brand, I think. And then I bought coral cardstock because those are one of the colors, and I cut it down and then I laminate these because if I lose this plastic sheet for these cling stamps, they can just stick to this. And then I make my own labels using my silhouette. So yeah. Woo, man, that made me really emotional. I think it's because, like, there were several there were like 3 or 4 years in a row growing up where we didn't get to have a Christmas, and which is okay. You know what I mean? It's like, it's not always about that. But a few years back, we were able to adopt a family, and I went hog wild. I bought them a tree. I bought them ornaments. I bought the mom like makeup and hair stuff, and I bought her like blankets and sheets, and bought the kid wanted a bike, so he got a bike and a bunch of like Marvel characters, and then clothes. Like, I spent probably about $500, and that was the best $500 I'd ever spent. Like, I wish I could do it again, and hopefully we'll get to a point financially where I can do it again. So anyway, one last thing I wanted to share with you. I bought some colored pencils. And you guys know, well, maybe you don't know, but if you saw, which video was that? I have no idea, but I made a card using Gamsol and Prismacolor pencils. And if you guys remember in the cupcake video I did, I used Crayola markers and showed you how you can watercolor with them. So I want to test these out and see how well they work in comparison to my Prismacolors. So this is going to be a video that will come soon. This was $12, I think, on Amazon. So hella cheaper than the Prismacolors. Now, you don't need the 100. They had a 32. I think that was like $8 or $9. But I'm like, I want all the colors. If I'm going to get it, I want all of them. So they look really pretty. Got some skin tones. Whew. Guys, I'm like still really emotional. That is, that was unexpected. So yeah, we're going to have some fun coloring with these colored pencils. So that's everything I picked up right now. Like I said, I have a couple more orders coming, and I am waiting for Papery ink. I think it's Papery ink. She said their Christmas stuff was coming out with their September release, but we're like on the 27th of September, and there's been no release yet. So I'm hoping that comes soon, and I will definitely be placing an order. All right, everyone, so that's it for me today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you missed it, I posted my 14,000 subscriber giveaway. You have, I think it's until the 14th to enter, but you'll have to go watch it. And then last Friday, I started what I'm calling the question of the day. So every video will have a question of the day, but not every video will win you a prize. I'm going to do it randomly. So all you have to do is answer the question of the day in the comments down below. And then I will, like I said, randomly pick a video to send you cards or a small gift from me. Before I forget, I mentioned in my last video that I had when I was coloring, that I had a really hard time with coloring with pencils because they're so skinny. So I picked up a package of these grippies on Amazon. So when I use these, I will let you know. So today's question of the day is, do you prefer traditional Christmas colors, or are you non-traditional, or do you like both? So don't forget that you may be randomly selected to win a prize from me. I'm going to be picking winners as we go along. And if you win, I will respond to your comment. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I'll see you Wednesday for another card in my 2020 holiday card series. Bye for now.